What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. We are continuing to scrape the web. This time doing it with the beautiful soup as we did it in the last video. Now what we're doing here is we are getting some returns, but we need to start narrowing them down. This is the actual website that we're getting the data from. So what we need is... Actually, I need to re-find it, but essentially what we need is the titles. For anyone that doesn't know how to use Chrome, or is not too familiar with the inspect element, there's this little thing right here, where you just hover over it and it shows you what it is. And the whole thing is by section, so here it is. Now, what actually has the text though? So we have, right here, the div event label. But how far do we need to, how far do we need to go in there? How far is this div? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and run it, and I'm gonna look for what ID, what IDs am I getting, what classes am I getting. And then we have a new line. So I'm getting an ID of GAX const. I think these are randomly generated. LGA, GBH. I am getting quite a few. These are from news. Wait. This is from Google. Yo. Okay, let's not go to Google anymore. Actually, wait. Hold on. I got Google here. What? Oh, okay. So let me reload it. Okay, so it is reloaded. And here I have a few classes. Let me go ahead and one more time. Okay, so I'm getting a div of MNGB. So should I just... I don't know if there's a finding. MNGB. Okay. Not that I know of. Maybe in here, maybe there's a find. All there is. So let's look at... Let's just say ID equals MN... Oh, actually, we need the quotes because it needs to be specific. MNGB. Where is... That's coming from somewhere. I just don't know exactly where. What else we got? So we got MNGB, we got G-bar. Is G-bar, do we see any G-bar? Hold on, what else do we see? We see a lot of OJ99. O3J99. Do we see any OJ399? We don't. Okay, we see WQ. WQ? No WQs. Actually, I see this one twice. I see a WQ and then again, same thing, WQ. And that's it. That's where it ends. WQ. WQ. What is... Wait, so that's from Google. It gets it. The text, HTML parser. Maybe we're not getting the same ones? I don't know. I'm still trying to I'm trying to, let's see. Span, Google. We're trying to get this text right here. Try AI powered. So let me go back to how I was doing it earlier. So I'm going here. How do I get in there? Div. So how do I... 4 rows, let's do for, let's say, 4 rows in soup. Can I, find all rows? Wait, no. Inside a div, find a div? I don't know if that's possible. Is that possible or no? Let's look at beautiful soup. Okay, so we have rows, find all TR. Or actually, let's just do find. Let's find something by class. Let's just do find. We'll do div. And we'll have a class of, let's say, should we do it exactly like this? Should we do a underscore or should we keep it like that? Let's go ahead and comment this one up. And then this one here, we'll say a class of, we'll do this one here. If it stays red, then obviously expected expression. All right, let's do that. Let's do that underscore. There it is. All right, let's go ahead and save it and see if it finds it. If it does find it, then it'll get this. It'll print this out. And if it doesn't, then I don't know. We'll figure something out. Okay, so it did not find it. Soup.find div. It did not find it. Okay, shall we just, let me just duplicate this. Let's go ahead and just look for a tutorial on beautiful soup. Hopefully this goes well. Now we can build a web scraper. Let's see. One by one. One by one. I want to see some code. So it's kind of just showing us how it's broken down. Yeah, so we see like, you know, we see the sections are broken down and whatnot. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and use this. Yeah, let's go ahead and follow this. So we have, here we have some Python jobs. Well, some fake ones here. Fake jobs. This is going to be our website. So we're just going to paste it on here. And then what we're going to do is, so we're still using requests. But it looks like we're not going to be using beautiful soup just yet. We're going to go ahead and wait on that a little bit. We're going to go ahead and use URL. Whoa. Okay. URL. We're going to not use this. Pretty much not use this at all here. So we're just going to do this. We're just going to print page text. We're going to print out the, actually, we don't even have listing URL anymore. So URL all caps. And we're going to have our page, which is going to be requests. Notice how we haven't used beautiful soup just yet. But let's see what this brings. Okay. So this brings an actual, you know, it brings a whole thing here. So it brings the head, the body. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. Alright, what's next? Parse HTML code with beautiful soup. Okay, now this is when we start using it. We'll get rid of this for now. We'll keep the URL. Actually, we're just gonna, this one's a little bit more concentrated. We're gonna go ahead and just not be concentrated, which is gonna be more of a generic one, right? We're backtracking on the directories. And then we're still gonna use response, we're still gonna use page, but we're gonna have the soup. So beautiful soup. And then we're gonna have, we're still using HTML parser. Then we're gonna have page content. But let's see how different it is. I'm not printing anything out. Notice. Should I just print out page content? Because, yeah, it prints out the, oh, I think it's the same thing. I'm not sure, but we have the soup. It's just, you know. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we have, let's go ahead and, yeah, let's just go. Actually, this is very similar. So we're gonna have our results. And we're gonna have our soup, find by ID. Wait, before I find it, can I find it here visually? Results container. Results, oh, there it is. So what should it do? Result. Notice how it's only the opening div. It's not the closer. So it might be like a div inside a div because I see a lot of closing divs here. Alright, so let's see what it brings out. So we have results and a container. And then we're just gonna print out results. Prettyfy? I don't know if that's, oh, I do. That looks like something that, you know, you'd have to download, but apparently, whoa. Okay. Alright. Save it. Run it one more time. It looks a lot better. Yeah, now, okay, so now it's indented. Now we can see what goes where. Let me just widen this up a little bit. Alright, so let's look for results container. But that's already results. So this is the div inside of that. Damn. Results container? Damn. That's crazy. This is all in results. Yeah, that's wild. Okay, so this might be a good little tutorial. Okay, so we'll do this in the next video. I feel like we're getting better because we started off with Selenium. I might just not know how to use it. Definitely probably don't because, you know, I used it for like a few minutes only. But Beautiful Soup is looking good right now. In terms of getting the titles over here, it looks like I'm just going to have to remember a few IDs just so I can get into these sections, which are right here, these sections. Once I get into these sections, then I can grab like a big list of the names. So a little at a time, but we're getting there. The main thing is to follow, where is it? Follow this one. This is the one that's teaching us how to do it. So like in example, this case right here, it's job elements, you know, find the H2, then the H3, and so forth. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.